Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name is Abigail, and I make videos about special needs, health issues, and feeding tubes. I am on a continuous feed on my feeding tube, and this is one of the boxes that we get that has my formula in it, but I just reused this box to put some of my supplies in, because I have like a big supply box in our living room, but these are just a few things that I might need for just like a couple of days, and then I can refill the box. So this is like my supply box until I need to refill it, and then this over here is my formula box. These are my formulas. They're Jevity, 1.2 calories, and right now I go through about 4 a day. And then this right here is the same kind of box, but it has different things in it, and I wanted to show y'all what's in here. So this over here, so I can show y'all. So these are the syringes I get. I get several of these per month. I think I get probably about 2 or 3 a month, but I also have like a full box of these. Another syringe. These are, I put a lot of these in here. These are IV drain sponges. I put them over my feeding tube button because I've been having a lot of leaking, and then it kind of like irritates the skin, and so I do have like some clips on ones that go around my tube that look like this, but my J tube has been leaking a lot, so instead of using these, I've been using this, and I have a lot in here because I have been using a lot of these. So this is what it looks like opened. As you can see, there's a little like slit in here, little opening. That's what these look like when they're opened. It comes with 2 of those in there. And then I also get this kind of tape. I don't remember what it's called. There's another tape that the company we go with covers, but it doesn't go well with my skin. I'm allergic to it, so they gave me this kind, and it's worked great. We did buy this though. This is the Dustin cream. It's good for like sensitive skin, and we have put it over my J tube to help with like the rash and stuff. And then I think it's about 4 of these extensions a month. I don't remember how many I get a month. I think it's maybe 4. So one I use just to vent. I hook it up to my G tube, and it's kind of like getting sick out of. And then my I do have a J tube that I get my actual feedings from, but I usually have to switch these out every once in a while because the formula will kind of like stain the extension. So that's why I get like 4 or 5 of these a month. But I keep one in my room to vent out of, and then every once in a while I keep one in my room to change it out. So thank you all so much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye everyone.